y'all, and welcome to this animal company video. This video is going to show you how to you can get a bunch of free research points, coins, and cosmetics completely free, and you can get it super easy. So please make sure to like and subscribe before we get into this video. It helps me out a lot. Also, if you've missed any of the codes, all the codes will be at the end of this video. There's also a really big giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure to stay to the end to find out what the giveaway is and how to enter it. Alright, now for the first code. The first code will be just space give space me space my space money. The code will be just give my money with spaces. Once you do that, click in return, and you'll be getting some 50 company coins, which will help you buy any of these cosmetics over there. Now, on to the research points. The first research point will be made. Number 4, me. And that will give you 1 research point. Now, for the next research point, it is deliver value with no spaces. Make sure it has no spaces and spelled like this. And that will give you your second research point. Now, for your third research point, it will be, your third research point will be I want hook shot. And boom, that will be your third research point. Now on to the cosmetics. The first cosmetic you will be getting is the Veracity jacket, which will be Play with Devs. And entering in that will give you the cosmetic. Now for the second cosmetic, it is Happy Space Holidays. And this will give you the elf suit and costume. Alright, that is all the codes. Alright, now for the giveaway. The giveaway will be 2 green bags, which will be right here. These 2 green bags are pretty rare and have not been in the game for quite a while. And all you have to do to enter in the giveaway for these 2 green bags is simply like and subscribe for this video and comment your animal company username or your MetaQuest username. Both will work. Now simply, this is how you know if you won. If you did win the giveaway, you'll be receiving a text from me on YouTube, of course. And on YouTube, if you see that text, you'll have 2 days to claim your surprise. And if it is not, I will respin the wheel. Now, thank you for everything and all the support. Thank you for watching to the end. And if you need any of the codes because you missed one, the codes are right here. Alright, thank you. Goodbye.